I've got this question about this video you're about to watch about the solar system. Why was that roof on fire? Most people have been afraid to install their solar because of this very video.
Panel. Those of you putting a solar panel on top of your roof is because of this fire.
The question is, what is the root cause? We'll base these causes in two things. One, the action of the client and the installer himself. Quality and rating, improper cable installation, and wrong connection. Number one, cable. Your cable rating is very important when you are determining the solar panels you are going to put on the roof. Remember, see a cable as a pipe, a water pipe. If you have too much water passing through a pipe, the pressure on that pipe definitely will increase. So it is on the number of solar panels that you are going to place. When you are placing a solar panel, it is important that you consider the size of your cable. Example, sometimes you see a client saying, okay, I just want 4 panels. That is what I have the money for. All right, you do a cable based on that 4 panel. 2 months down the line, he will say, no, I'm not getting enough solar energy. Therefore, I want to add that panel. He call you or call some other person to come and add that panel without considering the cable rating. This will increase more pressure on that cable, and that is one of the things that can cause fire. Secondly, if the quality of that cable is not good enough, it can also cause fire to come up. Thirdly, is if the connections are wrong. If there's a wrong connection, because this is a DC, the effect of this will not be pronounced immediately, but over time it can come up to, you see the effect in terms of it coming in form of fire. They are cut and joined in most places because of either you are connecting in parallel or in series. If there is no proper taping of those junctions, and these junctions are lying on a roof, remember the roof is metallic, so it can conduct. It's a conducting material. If these cables are not properly insulated and they are all on the roof, it can cause a breach depending on the quantity of energy it's receiving. So most times the client and the installer is to be blamed if this thing happens, not on the solar system technology at all. It's not a function of the solar system technology at all. It is inability to do the right thing in terms of cable management and the kind of the quantity of solar panel being in ratio, normal ratio with the cable can cause this. So don't be afraid in engaging your solar system technology. It's the best for now. It is one thing that you will do and you will relax. Don't be afraid. If so far you do the right thing, if you do not have money to do it, hold on or do it incrementally. The most important thing, let's do the right thing and save ourselves in this kind of thing.